camping tent.
Okay, it's almost done.
I'll go get Dad. Don't open your eyes yet.
How exciting. Where are you taking me?
Now you can look.
Happy birthday!
Oh, how great! When I was your age, I loved going camping. Now I can do that again.
Charlie and I have never gone camping, and we really want to try it out. Yeah!
Well then, let's stop talking about it and do it. How about if we go out to the woods and try it out today?
Yippee!
Granddad, are you sure you don't want to come? Won't you be bored spending the weekend here all alone?
It's good for me to have a quiet weekend to myself. Don't worry.
Okay, ready to go.
See you tomorrow, Granddad!
Goodbye. Be good. Okay, I've got to get right down to work now.
We're up on a trip, and it will be good. Maybe to the beach, or a walk in the woods. Dad, why aren't you singing? What are you thinking about?
I just have this strange feeling that I've forgotten something. But hey, it's probably just my imagination. You know what? Tonight, when we're in the tent, we can tell mystery stories before going to sleep.
Yeah!
This is a perfect spot.
Okay, let's set up the tent.
Why don't we take a walk first? There's a lake right nearby here.
Lake! Okay. Too bad Granddad didn't come along. Won't he get bored being all alone?
I'm sure he'll find a way to entertain himself.
Dad, what's going on?
I'm still thinking I've forgotten something, but I don't know what it is. It doesn't matter. Come on, let's go to the lake.
Hello, it's me. You know that thing we've been wanting to do for a long time? Today's the day. Pass the word around the usual crowd. See you later.
What fun!
Charlie, go change your socks and shoes. Look how soaked they got at the lake.
Squish, squish, squish. So can we put up the tent now?
No!
Why?
Now I know what it was we forgot. The camping tent.
I don't think I need to buy anything else.
When we get home, we can grab the tent, put it in the car, and go back to the woods, right?
Misha, it's very late and getting dark out. When we get home, we'll go to bed. We'll go camping another day.
Oh, we were so excited about it.
Okay, everything's ready. By the way, where are my sunglasses? Oh, here they are. I hear a car. The guests must be arriving. Welcome to the grand party.
Party? What party?
Granddad, what are you doing wearing sunglasses at night?
And what are you all doing here? Well, why is it that you're back so soon?
We forgot to take the tent.
And what's all this, Granddad? Are you expecting someone?
Who, me? Heavens, no!
Oh, I'll get it.
No, wait!
Have we come to the right place for the great breakdance night?
Great breakdance night? Listen, this can't go on. We've had a long day, we're tired, and we just want to go to bed. I have to ask you to end the party.
Okay, you heard it. Time to go.
Aww.
Oh.
Wait a minute. I have an idea.
Good idea. Ladies and gentlemen, there's been a change of plans. The party can go on. Hooray! Oh, yeah.
If Granddad is having the party at home, we can spend the night in here.
And we can try out the camping tent. This isn't the woods, but we'll have a fine time here.
In we go.
So, do you want to hear some mystery stories?
Oh, Charlie's falling asleep. I think it's time to go to bed.
Okay, but just one thing. This has been an unforgettable birthday. Thanks a lot to all of you.
Good night, Dad.